Yeah, I know my wife doesn't sleep, but now since she gave me this, honestly, I even feel better because I sleep better and she sleeps much better. And she likes it because basically we are covered like for the month. You have like a lot, yeah, easy to use, as you can see on my previous video, easy to use, they're really cheap. You have it like for 30 days, and yeah, you're gonna sleep much better, and she will sleep much better. And they have a special offer and deliver very fast, so I recommend get yours today.